Hello, hello! Welcome back to Red a Ted Art. It's the season for gifts. So I thought a gift bookmark corner would be super cute. Make this from pretty Christmas paper, birthday paper, wrapping paper, anything you've got really, and add it to a Bookcraft gift this Christmas. Just a quick one to say that this video is dedicated to Vivi. Hello Vivi, nice to see you. Your mum tells me that you particularly love the Red Ted Art Corner bookmarks and that you have made loads of them. So I thought I'd make this gift corner bookmark especially for you. I hope you like it. Come on, let's all go and take a look and see how these cuties are made. So you will need some pretty paper, some contrasting paper, glue stick, scissors. I'm going to use some pens, and if you want the ruler just to get the sizing exactly right, that's great too, but you don't have to have a ruler. Now I'm using this printed paper that I already had. What would be amazing is if you use wrapping paper, because wrapping paper is nice and thin. It's all festive, you can make it all match, you can use it for birthday cards, whatever. So I think wrapping paper would be lovely. The first thing I'm going to do is to neaten up my piece of paper. It isn't actually perfectly square, as you can see. I just roughly cut it out of my paper book. It doesn't have to be super neat, but obviously the neater the better. So now I have my square. Mine is, I think, 14 centimeters or 13 and a half. That's a good size. I'm going to make your basic corner bookmark. So bring the corner up. Like so. Bring that up. Make a nice neat crease. My paper's quite thick. Thinner paper would be better. Make another nice crease. Open. Bring one of the two flaps down. Bring that up and tuck it under. Bring it up and tuck it under. Now, if you need to see that again, just pause the video, rewind, take your time. There is no rush. There we go. Now, you might want to consider the pattern. So it might be a bookmark that goes in that way or that way. In this pattern, it doesn't matter. So the next bit I'm going to do is I'm going to take some paper. I'm just trying to decide how to be most thrifty. I'm going to cut 2 strips for the ribbon going across. To make your bow, again, I'm just going to cut some longer pieces of the strips of card. Let's see how I like these for size. I think that's a good size. So that length is 12 centimeters. 10 centimeters. Okay, and now you glue them all into a ribbon shape. So just put a little bit of glue at the end, bring the edges together, and last one. I think these are super cute. Right, now you've got your 4 pieces, so two big ones, 2 small ones, and now you just glue them all together. Lots of glue here and just pop it. This also needs some glue. Got glue everywhere on my fingers, and just pop it behind the card. Maybe do some final adjustments whilst it's still drying. There we go. I think they're really cute. And you have your basic present finished. I just want to add one more little thing. I've cut out a little white piece of paper. I'm going to write on it with love. Pop it on. And your gift bookmark is finished. Now, as you can tell, I've made this a Christmas gift card. You can, of course, use just birthday wrapping paper. You can recycle birthday wrapping paper. You can use brown paper. You can use white paper. So really, as per usual, it's a question of what you've got at home and kind of making the most of it. Aren't they adorable? I think they're super cute. and super fun. Now, as per usual, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye. Oh, hello, you're still there? Well done you for watching to the very end of the video, because as per usual, I kind of decided to change things around a little bit, and I wanted to make my cards kawaii. So I've cut out some black paper, put some white acrylic paint using a toothpick in the corner. I'm going to hole punch my little cheeks, and then I'm going to give all my little parcels a kawaii face. And I'm going to do that very quickly, and then you can see them all at the end again, because you're so good at watching this video right to the end. Thank you for that. Okay, we've definitely done this time. We've made some adorable kawaii gift cards, corner bookmarks. Aren't they adorable? So for the second time today, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.